Hey there, everybody. Let me get out of the sun there. Joe, Nash is running a little errand, and me and the boys are here at the next job. So what that's going to entail, we have this AC drip line here that's obviously blocked up because the paver's across it. So all we're going to be doing is installing a channel drain that goes from one side to the other, gets it from sitting out over here, and is going to let it just drain out into this in-between space. Both neighbors are fine with that, so that's why we're doing it that way. And then finally, we're going to be coming back here into the lanai. Get through here. Coming back into the lanai and putting in 3 screen room drains. While we have a little audience of doggies. So we're going to be over here. We're going to put in a couple screen room drains here on this bottom side, just across the back. That way water won't pool in these little low spots that they have right now. So stay tuned and we'll show you how to get it done. No. Alright peeps, what you need to do for these guys, Nash is showing it here. You want to undo these screws. Undo these screws here on the lanai frame, that way you can get up underneath it.
Just a hex head.
We're going to pry this thing up, cut it with the die grinder over here, and get the other one installed. We went ahead and did this one already for you. So what you'll see, you have a little door that opens. You can take it out. We'll screw it in so that it can't come out, but all we have is a hole in the frame that goes all the way through. This guy just slides right in like that. We'll put 2 screws and then it'll be done.
Awesome. Yeah, we usually don't try to buy anything. Alright, once we get these back down in, there's a little hole on each side. You're just going to put these self-tapping screws right in. And that's all that holds this in. It actually stays held in really nice just by this being sucked back down.
Oh boy, I gotta tell you, that sounds awful.
Time for the big boy. Time to cut some concrete. This is the second part of this little job today. Second part of our second job today. Cutting concrete. Not sure where, if I had to guess. Probably gonna be right where those drip lines are dripping water. But Joe quoted this one, so I'm not positive yet. Alright, that's all 3 drain doors installed. Is it DIY friendly? Yes. If you're familiar with power tools, you need a drill, a die grinder, or something of the sorts. A Dremel works great as well, just will take a little bit longer if it's not as powerful. Those Makita die grinders, they'll go spinning on you. If it catches something, so that is actually kind of overkill, but I mean, they work quick and we do a lot of those, so we're used to that. Work really good though. Only product on the market that I've seen that does that. Now up here, we are going to do a cross cut. Pretty straightforward. We can leave it like that. I did get stuff if we wanted the PVC. See all that sitting there?
So directly underneath it.
Cooling, or we just want it to get out to the soil line.
We can
You can do this. You can drop a chalk line. You can take a grinder across. which this one's so
With
short.
a very steady hand, you can do that.
It's probably quick. Or you can just run a line of painter's tape. It's kind of annoying because it doesn't stick great, but it's really easy to see where your line is, and it works. That saw?
Yeah. I know y'all have rentals.
Yeah, we just rent them. They're, I mean, probably $2,000 to buy.
Otherwise, you're going to be covered in concrete dust, and that's not really the best thing to bring in.
Nailed it.
Joe, how many things of Cycloflex do you have? Okay. Guys, how to set up that stall. In the meantime, I'll show you this product right here. Cycloflex, Sika, whatever you want to call it. It's for 1-inch cement cracks. Wouldn't recommend going up to an inch, but anything under that, you're good. Now these pavers are set upon a solid base, and they come in compacting with gravel below the base. So really all we're doing is taking out, cutting pretty much these 1/2-inch pavers and a tiny bit into that base. Normally, if you're going to lay a channel drain, you want to cement the whole thing in, but it's going to have solid base below it. So once we get these lines cut, those pavers removed, we just got to drop our shallow channel drain in, and we use Cycloflex on the sides to fill those gaps. Just a lot cleaner install.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Rev up your engine!
How unfortunate. This is just a big hole. I was sitting there, I was like, it looks filled up over there. Nah.
I don't feel like I'm operating the dial.
There's this customer's got quite the hole in their hose, unfortunately. It's about to start up. That would have been pretty dusty of a project. So we'll set up the other hose and try again. Since that just blew Tristan's mind, usually these come with a quick connect if you rent them. It's just a little push over the gasket.
It's like any air tools. Okay, ready?
No, I hate doing this. This is how I got trigger finger last time, guys. I almost passed out in the truck.
I love how I gave you the option to not
Shut up,
do
Joe.
any, and you still
I'm overcoming it.
choose to do it.
Alright, start it up.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Rev up your engine!
You did great.
Well, I didn't want to take too much of that off and have it disappear. Disintegrate, because there's like an eighth of a paver there.
That is true. There's like hardly anything right there.
But you can see just like that, the water's already flowing down and out, just that
And
crack.
that's all we're doing.
That's it. That's the channel drain. I'll let you get that other side. Pavers are cut through enough, and you can kind of just rock right here. Breaking off that base from the ground. Ta-da! Now we gotta clean it. This job doesn't require power tools. I'm just kidding, it does. But I dare somebody super skilled with their bare hands to do this. No power tools. I've seen some pretty crazy rock guys with a chisel and a hammer, but that ain't me, so I'm using this.
He's like, bring out the olives.
Brandon's cracking himself up over here.
Oh, we live?
Oh, we are. I didn't think we were actually, but
This is live right now?
this is my first time on live television. Alright, we kind of just need to hose this off. Can you flip on that hose, Brandon? Watch that Cycloflex and that tape roll. Head. Get all this dust away from here. Dust and debris. We'll clean up this space in a second. Drop that level on us. Channel drain this size is not a huge deal, but
Well, we are downhill, so
groovy.
got about, I don't know, 2.5% slope.
Math. He did that with a bubble, folks. That's all he needs. The bubble man. All right.
They call me Butterfinger Butterman. They call me
Butterfinger Bubble Man.
Yes,
He's Butterfinger Bubble Man.
Butterfinger Bubble Man.
And Tristan's just wet. Psych.
April Fools!
Yeah.
Who the hell calls it the second seat?
I was trying to figure out the name.
What is this, a school bus? We just need to throw these bricks in the bed and let this dry a second, and then we'll Cycloflex.
Cock and
No,
fill that
it's
in?
not caulk. It's Cycloflex.
It actually is definitely. See
Quality.
how like liquidy it is.
Okay.
Like this stuff is pretty liquidy.
It's self-leveling.
It's gonna seep into everything.
Sucks. It just disappears, and we got to use 17 bottles of it.
Yeah, because it is self-leveling, it'll literally. Just
But it's a
go
great product, so
wherever. It's awesome.
Cycloflex crack sealant.
We love you.
All you got to do.
Hopefully, I might have to figure out a way to patch this end. Squeeze.
So it doesn't like backfill the drain.
Just like that. This job's about done. Pretty much cleaned up. We just got to peel off this tape. We'll see if that Cycloflex is dried enough. Film the closeout on this one with the camera, and we just put that up. So we're doing it right here, right now, with the cats in the background.
Yeah.
Y'all are supposed to. It's okay.
I'll get behind you.
Yeah, guys, like, subscribe. What's the other stuff?
Like, subscribe, check us
I
out
just
on
said that.
Facebook, check us out on our website, tampadraindudes.com. You can fill out a quote request form there and get right in touch with us real fast. So, yeah.
Good job, guys.
Boys,
Tampa Drain Dudes.
Anything?
Way smarter than burning water.
Oh, he remembered that.
Oh, look at you.
Hold on. What you got, Tristan?
What's
got,
your slogan?
Tristan?
Give me your notes app. Give me your notes app. What's the slogan? God. I don't know, man. It is dry where
Just
I'm
do
standing.
it.
That's no coincidence. There's no coincidence.
There's no reason.